steering angle sensor calibration. Now ignition on position. Connected GDS Hyundai vehicle. GDS connected. Now I am going SW management option. Then I am going EPS motor driving power steering. I click. Then steering angle sensor calibration. Then he write something. He propose engine off or ignition switch on. He writing I already ignition switch on. Then I put run. Then OK button. Then he is writing something ignition switch on, engine stop, turn steering angle sensor stated, OK button. Now OK. Then are you sure OK? OK. Reset complete. 10 seconds. Then OK. Now ignition switch off. 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then ignition switch on again. Then press OK. Now it is complete. Steering angle sensor calibration complete.